back to Ellis Adam Vlogs, and today Louis and James are riding. I'm going to ride later, but now I think I'm going to have some RC fun for a bit, and maybe on my mongoose. So I'll be back to you in 1 second. When I am riding, Kieran is going to film. So we're getting the bike ready now. We're getting changed. So guys, we're pumping up Louis' tyre now, and we're struggling. Rubbing. He's riding the baton. Wait, let me just show you the back riding this. What the? What? So Livy's riding the baton and the BBR. Oh yeah. What's up? It's just, if you saw that clip, they murdered you guys. I need to drop.